The two greatest superpowers on Earth, the United States and China, are locked in a silent Cold War. But this battle is not over land, oil, or gold. It is over something so small, it is practically invisible to the naked eye. A microchip. Nvidia's $3 trillion AI chips, Apple's iPhones, global supercomputers, and even America's most advanced stealth fighter jets. They all share one terrifying secret. The tech giants who designed them cannot actually make them. The power to build these chips belongs to just one factory on the planet, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC. If this single factory stops operating for just 24 hours, the global tech industry grinds to a halt. Trillions of dollars would vanish from the global economy. It is, without a doubt, the most critical geopolitical choke point in human history. This is a story of a monopoly so powerful, America cannot replicate it, and China cannot capture it. Welcome to AlgoEconomics. To pack billions of transistors onto a piece of silicon the size of a fingernail, you need the most complex machine ever built by humanity. The EUV lithography machine. These machines cost over $300 million each, require 3 Boeing 747s just to transport, and are incredibly difficult to operate. Trillion-dollar competitors like Intel and Samsung have spent billions trying to master this process. Yet, their manufacturing lines frequently fail, ruining expensive silicon. Meanwhile, TSMC has perfected the formula. Their yield rate, which is the percentage of usable, perfect chips produced, is so high that no other company on Earth can match their efficiency. This is why tech giants from Apple to Nvidia must wait in line, pleading for TSMC's production capacity. TSMC did not just build a business. They constructed an absolute monopoly, a fortress of manufacturing that makes the entire world dependent on a single island. This extreme monopoly has created a unique geopolitical phenomenon. It is called the Silicon Shield. Taiwan is a small island, constantly facing the threat of invasion from China. Yet, its greatest defense is not rockets or fighter jets. It is TSMC. Both the United States and China desperately need TSMC chips to keep their economies running. If China invades Taiwan, these factories could be destroyed. If they are destroyed, global technology goes back to the Stone Age. This reality forces the West to protect Taiwan at all costs. The government of Taiwan knew this from day one. They intentionally built TSMC to be irreplaceable. By making the entire world dependent on Taiwan's silicon, they created a shield. A shield of high technology that keeps global powers invested in their survival. But the United States is growing deeply uncomfortable with this setup. Relying on an island so close to China for 90% of advanced chips is a massive national security risk. This is why Washington is forcing TSMC to build multi-billion-dollar factories inside America, in Arizona. But here's the catch. Building these advanced chips in America is incredibly expensive. The labor costs are too high, the regulations are too slow, and the local engineers do not have the decades of specialized experience that TSMC's workforce in Taiwan possesses. Even if TSMC builds factories outside Taiwan, the core technology and the smartest minds remain on the island. The world cannot simply copy what took 40 years to perfect. The nightmare remains. One wrong move in the Taiwan Strait, and the modern digital world collapses. Nvidia designs the brains of the artificial intelligence revolution, but TSMC is the only hand that can build them. In the grand game of global power and high finance, the ultimate winner is not the one with the best software. It is the one who controls the physical factory. If you want to understand the deep connections between technology, power, and the global economy, subscribe to AlgoEconomics. we break down the hidden forces shaping our future. Thank you for watching.